Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to start free class 10 science tuitions for the students. So whoever is interested, they can register for the same, right? So basically we will be covering the contents of the science textbook for class 10. That is the NCERT book we will be covering totally, right? So these are the various chapters. In all, we have 13 chapters. So one by one, we will be covering each chapter and I'll be uploading the videos regularly. You can watch them, you can make notes, you can like watch multiple times, revise the content, and we will solve all the exercises also, which are given at the end of the chapter. And apart from that, we will have a live doubt session every Sunday. So, videos anyone can watch, like you do not need to register for watching the videos. But if you want to attend the live doubt session every week, so for that you need to register on this link. And this is also totally free. You have to just give the basic details like your name, contact number, email ID, etc. Just fill this form and you can join the doubt session also on Sundays. So please join and welcome your friends also to join the same. It will be very, very helpful for your preparation for the class 10 exams. So I welcome you to these classes. So keep on watching the videos and subscribe my channel so that you get an update for the same. And watch the videos regularly in order to improve your scores in the exams. Okay, and if you have any suggestions, you're welcome. You can just post them in the comment section. Thank you so much. Looking forward for the other classes.